Damaso dropping a version 2 of his 16GB Slim Raspberry Pi B Plus image. Now this will work for the Raspberry Pi 3B as well, but this is a new build because it's based on the Rwetropie 4.4, thus unlocking quite a few things, especially being able to play on the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. Now something about this image, something that makes it so great is it's on a 16GB SD card. The file size is around just under 15 gigabytes. It's 14. What do we got here? 14.3 gigabytes at 15,403,000,000 bytes. And a lot of you have these little SD cards sitting around. This makes a great little image, and so far I'm really impressed by it. Some things that stand out to me are that it has Amiga working, ready to go with your controller, and it's packing over 6,000 titles. No video snaps, it's just JPEG artwork, but there's artwork throughout the whole thing. There's a little bit of music. It's a really optimized theme. So with all that said, let's see what we got here. So as I mentioned, 6,320 games. In collections, we got Damaso Picks. And if you've seen his images before, he likes fighter games, he likes boxing games, ninja games, sports games. And so all of his top picks here, all really good games, by the way. You get the Neo Geo Mini, games that are going to be included on the Neo Geo Mini, potentially. I think there's actually a lot less than these, but I think this is one of the lists published. NES Mini and SNES Classic Mini. Alright, then moving along, Amiga, 99 Amiga games. And this is really cool because these are kind of the best games that people really like to play. So if you're new to Amiga, these are all some games to definitely give a shot, a try to give them a shot. Really fun stuff. I still need to jump on a few of these. So the Chaos Engine's a big one. Alien Breed is big one. Turrican, huge game. A lot of cult following on those games. 2600, we got 505 games. 7800, you got 61. Atari Lynx 85, and we do have bezels here as well. Coleco Vision 140. We have Final Burn Alpha 127. That's going to be your Capcom Play Systems as well. Family Computer Disk System 144. Game & Watch 54. Again, you have the stock bezels. Game Gear 228. Game Boy 505. Game Boy Advance 59. So a little bit less here, saving some space. Game Boy Color 451. MAME 627 MAME games. You do have Ninja Turtles. You do have your wrestling games. And a lot of the other big titles as well. We'll just take a quick scroll right here if you guys want to see. Darkstalkers is on there, which with the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus runs great. Dungeons & Dragons, awesome game. Galaga. Hot Dog Storm. Joust, Junior Pac-Man. Clax. So you got your puzzle games, your fighter games, your shoot 'em ups. Marvel vs. Capcom. Narc. Those Neo Geos are just the BIOS files. Pac-Man. Rack 'em Up. Rambo, Rampage. RoboCop 1 and 2. Shinobi. Snow Bros 1 and 2. Star Wars. Bunch of the Street Fighters. Strikers. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Terminator 2. The Simpsons. So a lot of really great games on here. And then X-Men, WWFs. This theme cuts off the last word a little bit. Sega Master System 143. Sega Genesis 723. And I believe there is hack games on here as well. Neo Geo 144, Nintendo, yeah, I see 983. So I guess they're just, they're all dumped into the same folder. So it'll just be alphabetical order, which is a little cumbersome sometimes, but you can always hit select and then search for what you're looking for. Select a letter. Felix the Cat. But I bet if you go to Super Mario, you should see some or even Castlevania. Usually there's a lot of hacks there. So here you go, Castlevania, Castlevania 5, Castlevania 2, 3, Castlevania Blood. So you got all these Super Mario Bros. 3, Super Mario Brothers Ultimate, Super Mario Brothers, and Duck. That's not a hack. Oh, that's the triple. And then here you go. Here's another hack. Ridley Hack 4, 3.87 Heartless, 3 Mix, Super Mario Brothers Adventure. All right, Neo Geo Pocket 6, Neo Geo Pocket Color 37, TurboGrafx 16 144, and then Sega 32X 31, SG 1068, Super Nintendo almost 900. Again, you're gonna have okay, and it does have a folder here for Super Famicom at the top to jump in and then see a bunch more. I'm sure there's probably at least 100. Looks like close to almost 200. And then you also got hack games on here as well. If you go to Super Mario, let's actually go to T and then we'll go up. As you see, there's the Super Mario World hacks on here as well. Super Mario World Return to Dinosaur Land. Vetrext 21, Virtual Boy 19, WonderSwan Color 19, Family Computer 115, Gensis hacks. Okay, so you do have them separately as well. Sega Genesis hacks 21, Nintendo hacks 80, Super Famicom 125. So it's 125 Super Famicom, so you can access them through here, or you can access them through Super Nintendo at the top. At the top, there's a little folder. All right, so Nintendo 80 hacks total, Genesis hacks 21, Super Nintendo 42 hacks. So you can see all those hack games here. So they're in the directory. They're also in the main directory, and they also have their own category. All games 6,320 as we saw, and then we saw the collections as well. Oh, the turbines. So there you go. It's slim. It's to the point. It's well made. It's optimized. Everything's working. Amiga's set up for you. Easy Hacks Toolkit is pre-installed for you. Not much else to see here, people. I mean, just condensed down. I think, this is going to cater to the 90% out there. This is what you're looking for. Really good stuff. It's always cool when somebody reiterates an image and makes it even better, makes it nice and streamlined. I did disable the music. It has like a Neo Geo song, which actually wasn't that bad. I thought it was a good, tasteful pick for background music. You can turn off the background music or add your own very easily. The splash screen was just a simple image. And then something I did notice is when you click to load a game, each game has a JPEG of the game versus a generic loading screen that's the same loading screen for all the games in that particular system. So a little bit of customization here and there. As far as it has the box city, but you can also do Futura is installed as well. I don't know about this theme myself, but it's nice. It's big box. You know, you can definitely see what's going on. Yeah, I don't want to get into the theme, but it's good. You can easily go into settings and download some additional themes for free under ES themes. Go to settings and then ES themes, and you can download all the themes you want, whether it be, you know, Box Alloy, Ruckage, SNES Classic, whatever you want. Easy to do. As I mentioned, Easy Hacks Toolkit all set up for you as well, pre-installed. And as far as the bezels, it's kind of a motion blue bezel pack where you have the system bezels, but for the MAME arcade, you are going to get custom bezels per arcade game. So it's not the bezel project per se, it's kind of the first iteration of that, which is just for the arcade games, not the consoles. With all that said, 2 thumbs up. Let me know. That's what I think. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.